Did I just do something wrong? Oh, no, I didn't. Hey guys, my name is Cardigan Craft and welcome to another video. I don't know why I'm so quiet. And here is lilfang, and we're doing a commentary.
Lilfang. Okay, it's Lil Fang. Lilfang. I will murder you.
Lil. Okay, whatever. It's lilfang.
Good.
Whatever.
Sadly, I will just be doing commentation on this. So
And I'm
I'm
gonna be playing
currently
Cluster Truck.
yes,
Yeah.
I'm currently just watching him though.
Woo. Okay, whatever. Let's get to it. Don't look at that. Don't look at that.
Yay! I look at all.
Okay, whatever.
I can't see anything.
Okay, wait. I may or may not have almost beat the game already. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Actually, I'm going to keep that on because it does absolutely nothing. Oh wait, never mind. I have to do that because then points are doubled. Okay, let's do this. Level 1. Oh my gosh, it's so much different. As you can tell, I am very good at this game.
Yeah, just go world 1. Let's level 1. Oh my god, the lag.
Well, it's not very laggy.
For me, it is.
Yeah, I'm just speedrunning the first world because it's not that hard. Ah, I forgot about that.
Yeah, the lags.
Oh,
Yeah, you made it.
no, I didn't. I failed. How I failed?
Yeah, now you failed.
No, I didn't fail.
I am behind you. I am a little behind you because I'm Steam watching you. Yeah, I'm watching. You're on 1-4 for me right now. What are you on? For you?
1. I don't know. Ah!
You're just like freaking epicing this. 1-5 now for me.
Book it. I'm failing super hard because I'm trying to speedrun.
Language?
What?
What were you saying?
I said I was booking it.
Oh, book it. I thought you said something completely different. Oh my god. For all you little kids, he said book, not bad word.
Not bad word. Good job.
Hey, if I was recording this, I would have done the same thing.
Oh my god.
No,
also,
seriously.
I got a new headset, so I may sound better.
Ooh, nice.
I already told you this little thing.
No, you didn't.
What?
You did not. Spin Zappy Jaspina.
Oh, crap. I didn't know they were turning. Oh my god.
This is super, super laggy for me.
I did it. Are you installing it?
Nope, I'm not installing anything.
Oh. Could you not get a refund on that game?
Not, well, even if I did get a refund, it would take a week to come in. I'm actually gonna check this over here. I'm gonna switch to my other email. I really hope I do get a refund on it, though. Because if I don't, I'm kind of... yeah, it said I got it received.
Yeah, you still owe me a game, though.
Oh my god! If I had more than 2 hours, or more than 14 days old, so I am perfectly free, it is going to be accepted.
Oh, it's more than 2 hours?
Yeah, I thought it was more than 1 hour, and I had 52 minutes on it. I'm like, oh my god, I really hope they accept this. They're going to. I guarantee it.
Ah!
There's like
Dude,
no reason they
you're
wouldn't.
gonna have torture when you get the 1.8. Like, your computer's not gonna handle it. Because just what happens on one of the raw.
Yeah, I'm sorry, but my computer is buff as crap compared to yours. The only reason I'm lagging right now is probably because your computer is running at the way it is. My computer's not used to running the way your computer runs, so my computer's just like, ah, and slowly
This
dying
is
inside.
complete agony.
Can you actually see what, like, my little chat up in the top
Yes, I
left?
can. Because the
Yeah.
last thing you said was yay. Now you said hi.
Yeah, it's a little delayed.
Well, that was just what I just looked up there.
Yeah, it's delayed for me. It says the last thing that was put up there. Me and you, like, our computer's connection is horrible. It's the only reason it's so slow for me. But dang, you got some skill for these levels of
Trust me,
literally.
I'm sucking at this level.
You're just getting crushed.
Ah! Oh snap! Oh snap! Them skills! Oh, I almost did it.
Yeah, damn skills.
Dude.
Actually, I think I might just start recording. For something else.
Commentary.
Let me look at my Steam. Commentary. Let's start recording something.
Climbing a giant boulder. Da 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 da. This is fun. Da 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 da. That really worked. I'm actually really surprised. Do, 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 do.
Hey, do you want to possibly play some Gmod?
But this is a commentary.
I know,
I'm still
but
doing a series on Cluster Chuck. Also, if you guys want to... Wait, I only have 2 subscribers. Sadness.
sadness. Just say if you guys. Hey, you're popular. You can dream.
Sure, I'm popular. That's pretty funny. I'm not like that.
Hey guys, this is Lil. That's literally just my intro.
Hey guys, this is lilfang. Hey guys, this is so and so. Not lilfang.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I'm a little stupid. So
I'm unsubscribing from you.
lilfang. But this isn't lilfang.
This is Lilfang, not Lil.
Yeah, this is lilfang. Lil. I can't say it. This is
Lilfang.
This is lilfang. His retarded
brother.
Yes.
I don't have a brother.
Exactly. Undertale.
I can play some music right now, and just like
Yeah, you should do that. Oh wait.
Okay.
I won't
It's
even
gonna sound
hear it.
horrible.
I won't even hear it.
No, you will.
No,
Trust
I
me, you
won't.
will.
I won't.
I will prove it to you.
Ah! Okay, very last level. Oh, I forgot about this. Little thing, look on my screen. Ah! No! Ah! Oh, I did it.
No, I just watched you do 10. Well, 9, not 10.
I just finished.
Okay, so now I'm watching 10. Yeah, there goes the trucks. Yeah. Oh god, you just barely dodged that.
On the second. Darn it.
Can you hear it?
All I hear is anime music.
It's exactly what it is.
Oh my gosh.
Confirmed.
I knew it.
Confirmed, Lilfang is a weeb.
That's pretty offensive, man.
It's not actually. I fully accept that. People in the comments, please call me a weeb.
No, don't call him a weeb. Don't
Please do.
don't
Please.
call him a weeb. He's a nice person.
Okay, weeb stands for weeaboo, which is someone that's addicted to anime, and I am addicted to anime.
But still, don't call him a weeb. I watch
Everybody
anime. I watch Pokemon.
that makes you an ultra noob weeb. Pokemon is horrible.
Especially
You
the
need
sun
to watch.
and especially
You need
the
to
sun
watch.
and moon. Oh, that's torture. I do not like sun and moon. Are you mad at me now?
Okay, I'm happy.
Why? Wait, did you just get mad at me for saying that sun and moon sucks? Dude, the TV show sucks.
Yes, it does. I actually only watched 3 episodes and quit.
Turtle.
I guess. Yeah, I actually got a pet turtle like 2 days ago.
Whoa.
No, actually,
what you
yesterday.
name him?
Oh, we have not named him yet.
Name him.
He is a.
Name him Rigby.
No. But he is an Eastern box turtle, and he is male, of course. He.
Sugar daddy.
I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna be right back.
No, don't leave me. Don't.
I will be right back. I'm just getting water.
Oh, fake! Ah! Hold on. Wait, hold on. Let me just. There we go. I totally bought this legit. I would have had it anyways. Ah, what are you doing, truck? Oh dear. Okay. So since lilfang isn't here, I have a really embarrassing story to tell when he gets back. Don't judge me. Just don't do it. Probably went to the bathroom or something. Oh, you back? Oh, truck!
I haven't sat down yet.
What?
I haven't sat down and put my headset back on yet. Okay, now I can hear you.
Okay.
Better. My speakers are just so good, I literally can hear you as I walk into my room.
All I hear in the background is stupid anime, not anime, stupid music. That's probably.
I'm not even playing music anymore.
No, it's from my sister.
Oh.
She's just blasting loud a movie. I don't even know what movie it is.
Suddenly dies.
Suddenly got murdered. Oh, that's not. Oh man, it's so interesting. I can't wait until I get more subscribers. Ah!
Your
no,
game will
spamming
now
chat. Stop spamming chat, bro. Why can't I fast? Wow, I can't fast. And oh crap.
I like how it just like rushes down the side of your screen.
It's not really rushing down. It's only like 5 down. Oh snap! Oh snap! I almost pulled that off. Are you mad?
No.
Oh. Did you see that replay though?
No.
Okay, since you're back, I have a very embarrassing story to tell.
Very embarrassing.
Very embarrassing. Okay. No, it's not very embarrassing because it was in like kindergarten. But it's still embarrassing.
You just got a very embarrassing message.
Very embarrassing. Is that Barry from the meme movie?
Yes.
Get it? Because the B movie's super memey.
Yeah. Meme movie.
Ha! It sucks.
It does.
Cause
Guys, don't worry, we're not memes. Oh wait, we are.
yes, we are. Probably tomorrow, if everybody likes and subscribes, I'll be viral, and everybody will like me, even though I have poor
Wrecked.
volume. Oh
Guys,
snap!
don't worry.
Oh, 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 oh yeah, oh yeah! I did it! I beat the second level. Wait, no, I beat the second level.
Oh yeah, Kool-Aid man.
Oh gosh, oh gosh, oh. Why am I doing so bad in this level? Hey, yo! What is going on?
Death.
Yes. Torment.
That's my nickname.
No, it's not.
How do you know?
It's called. No one will ever call you Torment because that's pretty mean.
Meh. Who cares? I guarantee you there will be one hater in the YouTube comments that will.
I only have.
Should I do my orc? Should I do my orc voice for like the rest of this video?
What?
Should I do my orc voice for the rest of this video?
Sure.
I'll try. I cannot do it for the full video though.
Oh snap! Oh snap! Oh snap! I'm doing it! Oh snap! Oh god! Oh god! Giant wreck!
You doing what?
I did it! I did!
Hey, who are you? My name's Mordecai.
Yeah. Oh yeah. I can't talk. Okay.
Question: who are you?
Oh yes,
My-
this level. And
My name Mordecai. 2-3. Yeah, this will be an interesting one.
Okay, dude, do you know that one movie from that one song from Madagascar is like Red Roses are two, Red
Yeah.
Roses 2.
Red roses are blue. It's what a wonderful world.
Dude, did you see 2-3 level 2-3?
Yeah, I'm watching it right now.
Dude, just think of that song while I'm going over the gap.
Mhm. Boy.
Okay, here's
Okay. Boy.
Okay. What?
You'll say.
Dab. How dare you jab on me? That's pretty rude, man. I'm so sorry.
Dab spams.
Okay. Oh, this level. Oh god.
Okay, I just about died.
Wait, what are you playing?
Nothing. I was drinking water. I started suffocating.
Oh my god. Oh dear. That's
That
a
luck.
little,
Oh. That's a truck. That's a truck.
Super.
Ow.
Super truck. You guys weren't there. You don't know why we can't. Dab spamming.
Sorry, I'm not recording. Oh, what the? What?
Dab spamming. Oh god.
Yes, dab spam. Ow. Okay, you know what? I think I'm actually gonna start recording. So.
Really? Wow.
I think so, my
Okay.
friends.
Okay, I guess I'm gonna tell over 12 subscribers my embarrassing story. That's super embarrassing.
I will still listen. Yeah, you go tell your story, and after your story, I'll start recording.
No, I want to tell yours too, cause it's
Okay.
super embarrassing.
Let me choose a game.
And that's what YouTubers do. Tell embarrassing stories, I think.
Okay, you choose the game I'll play. From these games, choose. We got Evolve Stage 2. Prefer
Is this
not
going to be
to.
copyrighted because we're naming off games?
No. Gary's Mod. The Isle. Painted Town Red.
Paint the town red.
Ultimate Epic Battle Simulator. Prefer not to again. World of Tanks Blitz. Prefer not to. Call of Duty Black Ops 3. Prefer not to.
Yeah, Call of Duty
Borderlands.
Black Ops
Borderlands
3.
2.
Get me that. I'll totally do a series on that.
I will shank you.
I love Call of Duty 3. Dude,
Castle
I have that on my
Crashes.
Xbox.
Can't really play
I have
that.
like dude, I have that on my Xbox. I have every single map.
Nice.
Cause I like Call of Duty.
I think I might just play
Paint
Paint a
red.
Town Red.
Yeah.
Yep, Paint a Town Red it is.
Oh god! Oh god!
So,
Oh god! Oh god! Oh!
oh god, oh god, oh god. So I'm gonna quit watching you stream.
Keep her going. Keep her going. Yeah!
Oh god, my computer was lagging.
Still.
Memes.
Memes. What?
Exactly.
Okay. Are you recording
Okay,
it?
so no, I'll tell you when I am.
Oh. Jeez.
People, please calm down. I don't want to murder your insides before I even get to punch you.
What?
Take now. Shut up, computer.
Oh, well, that didn't work. Dude, are you recording yet?
No, I will tell you when I am.
Oh, crud.
This is gonna take a second. I'm gonna take an AFK break.
Don't, what the heck? Dude.
3 seconds. 3 seconds. It's halfway done already.
What was that? I really hope this. I hope this actually videotapes instead of last time. Remember last time, whenever it didn't do anything at all, it just was a black screen. And anybody who and if anybody took that out of context, boo. That's pretty mean, man. That's pretty racist. Hey, lilfang. I see you. Oh,
Okay.
I heard you.
Yeah. I got a pretty good speaker, even though it's shredded. Don't ask.
Oh, shoot. Hold on.
I have 111 minutes on Paint the Town Red.
If I win like this AFK, that'll be pretty amazing.
Okay. So, recording in 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, it's lilfang here, and
I can't find the plugin.
I'm currently recording, playing some Paint the Town Red today.
Where is the plugin?
Carter, please.
Can't find the
Calm
plugin.
down. Oh, sorry, Dank Koala, please calm down. No, not Hard Hitter. I hate that. Okay, so we're playing Biker Bar with random friends. I love playing this. I have not yet beat Biker Bar yet, though.
What?
So, guys, I really, really hope you guys enjoy this. So, also, again, Carter Can Craft is along with me, but he is not commentating because he can't see what I'm doing, and I can't see what he's doing. He's currently playing Cluster Truck. He does know I'm playing Paint the Town Red, so.
Oh, I can't find the plugin.
So currently, I'm gonna give a rough estimation of how many friends I have here. I'm gonna give that a
Okay. Since
20.
here in a
Somewhere around
way,
there.
That means everybody can hear my
Carter.
embarrassing story.
Okay, Carter, you go ahead and tell that story.
Okay, it's pretty short
I'm
story.
just gonna play this.
Okay, so one time in kindergarten, I blew kisses to all the girls and acted like I shoved basketballs to boys. And later, I thought, hey, because they know me because I threw basketballs at the boys and threw kisses at girls, maybe I can marry them.
Oh
So I
God.
went up to most of the girls asking their age. If they had the same age as me, I would say I can marry you. Oh my
Wow.
glob!
That's not that embarrassing, honestly.
Also, I had my flight on the whole entire time.
Okay then.
That was pretty embarrassing.
Um. I guess I should share a little thing. Uh, from my kindergarten days.
Oh no.
Do you want me to say it?
Sure, I
You
don't
know,
care.
screw it. Okay. So, me being the weird little
That's me.
kindergartner I
That's
was.
all me.
Yes,
Even
that
though
was
I
me
wasn't in
too.
your school, that would have been me.
Yeah, that was literally my
Trying to
entire
marry
time,
people.
and that was my entire time in freaking kindergarten. Not like you're kind of marrying everyone, but I, me being me, I just got I within. Okay, so within about halfway through the first year of kindergarten, I went for two for some reason. But
Hey,
I
I went two
literally
too.
within halfway through the first year,
Actually, no. Wait,
uh,
no. That was.
uh, dang, I can't do anything because I'm trying so busy concentrating on this. But I had a crush within halfway through the year, which to me is amazing. Um,
Who was
but
it?
I asked her out, and guess
What?
what? And she said no. Uh, I was
Heartbroken.
expect I was also expecting that, so I'm like, oh, okay. I literally shrugged and walked off. Uh,
Wow.
so after that, the next day, I found out she skipped 2 grades.
What?
Yeah, uh huh. She skipped 2 grades. She currently is in
She's in 8th grade right now.
yes, is she about to go into ninth? So yeah,
And she
actually,
should
I
know.
believe she is in. I believe she's actually about to go into 10th. Actually, so yeah, she skipped a few grades. So that was hilarious. I
Can
yeah, all
I
my
date you? No. I'm way better than you, kid. You're a little. I can't say that.
she literally shook her head no and walked away. I literally shrugged and walked the other direction. That day was hilarious to me. I will never forget that day.
That wasn't very embarrassing, though. We all had that stupid moment.
That's not that embarrassing. Like I gladly
Mine was
share
more
that info.
embarrassing.
Yes.
The worst part, I shared it with my friend. Oh. And she also asked if I said it to her. And I was like, no, I only thought.
That's hilarious.
I thought that Riley Tunyas. Riley Tunyas.
Oh god, dude, no.
Yeah,
You chose the wrong freaking people to stop.
I know.
This is the wrong grade to stop. You should have quit literally in kindergarten. All I can say is good luck, bro.
I
Good
don't
luck at
think she
surviving.
remembers though.
Ow.
I'm pretty sure that was also 2nd grade, maybe.
Probably.
I don't know.
Ow. Murdered.
Oh snap. Okay, hold on. I'm almost done with
So
level
that's
2.
our embarrassing story group thing. Hmm.
Okay,
So
now
yeah.
we have like nothing to say now. We're all just like awkwardly saying
Yeah,
stuff.
we're like
Ah.
actively really quiet. I'm like
Yeah.
sneaking around currently in this
Okay.
bar.
This. Ah. Oh. Ah. Okay. This game that I'm playing also reminds me of this like stunt that someone did, and he did the splits on the truck. Like,
Yeah, cluster truck. So truck.
well, it was
Oh,
two semi
I thought I did
trucks.
a free. I thought I did a freaking bottle flip. I was about to laugh.
Oh god.
Up,
Okay, so
up.
but it's just like this guy in karate, and two trucks made him do the complete split, and he didn't flinch. He didn't move. I was just so amazed, and that was like 2 years ago only.
No, that's not that so surprising to me. Just because I've seen some really, really amazing crap in my day.
Still, it just amazed me how he didn't flinch.
But like, the most amazing thing I've seen is probably a literal tank driving down the highway.
Oh, why would they drive a tank down the highway? That's a
I don't know.
little safe.
It was an Abram.
I don't play that much World of War tank
I don't
splits.
play World of Tanks that much, and I still know my tanks. It was an Abram. Actually, the Abram isn't even in World of Tanks. That's hilarious. I just know my tanks that well. But basically, the Abrams is one of the best known American tanks. Oh my
Well,
god.
not very no because I don't know.
Well, that's good for you.
Oh.
But considering this thing was driving down the freaking road, that just amazes me.
Hey, who's driving that? A criminal.
A
Oh,
little
that's a little.
kid named Billy.
Billy, what are you doing? I'm
The
driving
tank
over these
stops.
trucks, Dad.
The
Leave
tank
me
stops and literally just
alone!
like shoots you.
Jimmy, get off the trucks! Never! Jimmy, finally make it off! After 15 hours of doing this. How long have you been doing this? 10?
Nah, that's hilarious.
Dad, look, I made it.
Meat slab.
Dad, I'm an 18
Hit
double
random
hockey
guy.
stick. Yeah, no dub, because he fell off the truck. Oh. How are you down here? I'm just an illusion. Oh.
I'm just an illusion.
How can I touch
Magic.
you then? Oh, crap. Wait, did I actually die? Yeah, I think you died. Oh, crap. How did I die? Hold on. Station has it all recorded. Oh, you got hit by a truck. Why did I do that in the front of the street? Why did I think that was a good idea?
Dies playing cluster truck being hit by a truck through a wall. That is how I want to die.
I did it. I beat World 2.
Teleportations.
What? What?
Don't worry. The people that are watching me will know.
I don't know.
Okay, so there's a glitch in Paint the Town Red that if you're standing over an enemy when they get up, they teleport behind you. And I like to say teleportation every time that happens.
Of course. Ah!
That's just like me being me. I just like to do it. Kick the dude.